Welcome to the Flask-Diamond Quick Start Guide. We're going to begin by going to the Flask-Diamond website, flask-diamond.org, and that'll redirect you to the documentation. Now let's start at the Get Started section with the Quick Start. So before you can follow the Quick Start, you need to ensure that you have all of the system requirements installed. And the system requirements page has instructions for a couple of different platforms. So you're probably going to find what you're looking for. So let's assume that you have everything installed correctly, Python, virtual environment, and so on. And let's begin by copying and pasting the commands. So we will first create a directory for our new testing application, and then we'll use virtual env wrapper to make a new virtual environment. And then we will install Flask-Diamond. It installs easily off of pip, or you can specify a specific version, which I'm going to do. So now that it's installed, we enter the virtual environment and use the Flask-Diamond command line interface to scaffold a basic application, which asks you a bunch of questions. So you need to name the application using Pythonic naming conventions, and then you need to come up with a username, a version, all the basic things that every application needs. But this script will also create certain secrets for you, random values that Flask requires. And in particular, there will be a simple password that we're going to need to remember for later so that we can log in as the administrator. So let's run a quick test to ensure that everything installed, and then we will initialize the database using the make db command. And then we launch the server with make server. And once the server is running, we can launch our web browser and visit the server. So this gives us a login screen, and we will log in as the admin user. And we're going to need that password from before, the simple password, the 3-character random password. So now you have access to the administrative interface and full control over all of the user accounts. So this concludes the Flask-Diamond Quick Start. From here, you should be able to follow the rest of the tutorials on the website using the online documentation. Thanks for watching.